Hey vlog. Ooh, I'm very ashy. But I didn't vlog me doing my makeup and stuff. First of all, welcome back to another vlog. I know my hair look crazy. I'm currently getting ready for my college graduation. It still doesn't feel real. But yeah, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makayla. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. But I'm currently getting ready for graduation. And I'm getting ready to put my cap on because in order for me to curl my hair, I'm gonna curl into the way it sits under my cap. Does that make sense? Which is hence my U part. I didn't put it on top of my leave out. Long story, but yeah, my makeup looks really good. But my family's on the way here. It's currently 7:10. I've been up since 5 a.m. So I'm getting ready to be done. Those are my two dresses that I gotta choose between which I want to wear. And I only got like 20 minutes to decide all this stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me. I am naked, but I have underwear on. So in case it falls down or something, you won't see anything. But this is my cat. Oh, look, isn't it so cute? It was real last minute, but I didn't let y'all see all the behind the scenes because literally was kind of having a meltdown. But we made it. Oh, I probably should cut this part, huh? I should probably cut this part. Let me see. Alright, so I just did a few letters here and there. And I'm about to just put it on my head because, yeah. Yo, when I first got this cap, I was wearing it the wrong way. Then I had to look it up and see that I was wearing it the wrong way. And I was embarrassed because I had to take a picture and I was like, wow. Good thing I didn't post it or anything, but I was just like, wow, I would have been looking like a total idiot. I graduate at 9 a.m. And I'm going to the... Oh, I can't talk and get this at the same time. Yeah, okay, and then I'm going to the general ceremony where like the whole college is there, like thousands of kids, and this is the front of my cap. This is supposed to be on the right. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, thousands of kids be there. Probably, like that's what I'm talking about. That white part, it gotta be cut, but I'm not gonna be able to cut it. I'm gonna have my cousin cut it. Where are these little hairs right here? They gotta go. Let me make sure my hair stays.
What that, BFF? No, thank you.
Yo, I've been a terrible vlogger, and I hope you can hear me, but yeah. So I'm here. I've been sitting in line since about like 8, literally 20. It's 9:06 because they delayed the graduation to 9:15 from 9 because of traffic and so many people trying to get into the stadium. And yeah, they just want everybody to be able to see. I need lip gloss at this point still. Everybody's all lined up. Like you can see all the people up there. But yeah, my feet are dirty. Like just a little bit. So like I'm ready to sit down. To my mom, I'm like, my feet got about 10% lifespan left, and then they're gonna be dead. Like I didn't think I was gonna be standing up for this long. I should have came here late, like everybody else. But the vibes are nice. You got people drinking beer, people vaping. Some people came in their pajamas. Some people came looking like they don't care. They're on their last leg. They've been very much real and raw. And you have people like me who dressed up, so it's just like, I'm just ready. It's hot. Can I get a chair? It's about 1,000 chairs. No, over 1,000 chairs on the field too. It's crazy. Yeah, this is my little update. And I will see you guys later.
Oh, you gonna record?
Yeah.
Which channel?
This one.
How do you know?
Because that's what they said already.
She said she for the cover. There she go right there.
Where she go? Where? Where?
I'm graduating. My family's up there. It's unreal. I don't know if I would be able to vlog, but I can't. My feet are sinking. But yeah. Graduation. Trying to see if I can get a video of my family. Where are they? Are they waving? Oh yeah, that's them waving right there.
Skip the row.
I
see Yamaniana, my brother. I can see everybody. Pretty much a bit.
Personal note, I want you to know how happy I am to serve as your chancellor, and on behalf of the entire Rogers family, thank you for allowing me the honor and the privilege to serve this great university. Thank you for allowing us all to witness your success along this journey and to celebrate.
Hi guys, I just wanted to pop in here as you look through a few short videos and pictures from this day. I just want to say that this day was so important to me, probably like one of the best days of my life, because I worked so hard to accomplish, you know, getting my degree, and I was finally able to do that. So I want to say shout out to everyone, my family, friends, and loved ones that drove all the way down there to see me graduate. I really appreciate you guys, and if you play any role in me graduating, getting my degree, then I just wanted to say that I love you and I really appreciate you. I know this vlog wasn't really that long because I really didn't want to soak in this day. I just was so excited, and like I said, it was exciting for me. So I will make it up for y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell so you know when I post my next video, and I will see you guys later.